Have you ever looked at a gadget and wondered, how does this actually work? How does a TV remote controls television wirelessly? Why do we need an adapter to charge our phones and laptops? If you have ever asked such questions, you are at the right place. Welcome to the Keda. Hi, I am Virat Seth. When I was in school, I was fascinated by electronics and Arduinos. Out of 70 students in my class, I was the one of the very few to get an opportunity to learn and build electronic projects. That made me realize thousands of students are curious about technology, but very few of them get a chance to explore it practically. That's why I started the Keda. The word Keda represents the inner curiosity that pushes us to ask questions, build, explore, and innovate. I don't want students to memorize the textbooks. Instead, I want them to understand by building real circuits, problem solving, making mistakes, and creating things by their own. My goal isn't just to teach electronics and robotics. It is to create spark and give students an opportunity to explore and learn practically. If you are curious how does technology work, or if you enjoy building things, or even if you wonder how does this actually work, then you are at the right place. Welcome to the Keda, where we learn, build and innovate.